Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one, man. Now y'all see, we here with Apis the Bull. You know what I'm saying? Young Patah in the flesh. We live in Memphis right now. Now check this out. We going over the 3-step manifestation process, man. I just time traveled back to ancient Egypt, came back to modern time 2020.
Hey, yo, what the
You know,
fuck?
and I got this information with y'all. So now I want to share this now. You know, a lot of people don't know how to read the hieroglyphs. Like, people thought they was reading the hieroglyphs right, but, you know, they wasn't really seeing the full message. The only person I found out that read the hieroglyphs right was somebody named Asar Kawazi. You can find him on YouTube, Kemet New Tours, Kemet New. Remember that. Now, it's the only person that decoded the hieroglyphs right. But it's the 3-step manifestation process right on the fucking walls. Now, let me show y'all what it is. Let me just break it down. It's the thought, it's the offering, then it's the manifestation.
Oh!
Now, this live from Egypt, this live from Apis the Bull, Patah. You know, the divine bull, the mother, the beginning. Hey, you can look this up on your own. Hey, they left this on earth, not me. You know what I'm saying? Not me. Full disclosure, full disclaimer. It's coming from them. Now, let's go back over it. So, it's the thought, the offering, then the manifestation. Now, what they told me was that this is related into 3 parts of our mind. It's the conscious, the subconscious, and then the superconscious. What people refer to as God, but they said it's the one mind. You know, that's what they said. I'm just the messenger. So, this is how you manifest. So, you take your thought, whatever you want. Like, you could literally have anything you want. You know, it's just certain limitations everybody have. But if you could use your imagination properly, you could have anything you want. So, first, you gotta decide on what you want to create. What do you want to manifest? What do you want to bring out of the ether into the physical? Right? Do you take that, your topic, your idea, your manifestation, your belief, how you see yourself, the result you want? You gotta take that offering, that belief to the subconscious mind. Right? Once you take the offering to the subconscious mind, you have to convince it. How you know you convince it is you get like almost goosebumps. Like once you in your meditation, once you in your flow of vivid imagination and saying your affirmation to your subconscious mind on what you want or how you see yourself, and you going with the vivid imagination, you practicing that visualization, you gonna get this internal feeling of bliss almost. It's like bliss, but it can give you goosebumps, you know. And that's how you know it's working. That's how you know you are convincing the subconscious mind with your offer, with your idea, with your thought. You know what I'm saying? What you want to manifest, right? So, after you do that, now this is when the magic happens, right? This is when they say miracles happen, right? Because the subconscious is really like your loyal servant, your manager. You know what I'm saying? It connect the dots. So once you took the idea to the subconscious, it go to the superconscious. Now the superconscious was called God, the universe, Buddha, Allah, Jesus. You know what I'm saying? That's the superconscious, the one mind, which everybody, everything, every environment is connected to, right? So once your subconscious, once you get the idea through your subconscious, take the thought, you take the offering to the subconscious, and you fully convince it of what you want to do. It go to the superconscious, and that is what connects to the minds, the people, the places, the things, the environments. You need to have everything come full circle for your manifestation to happen. Now, how your manifestation normally happens, how people manifestation happens is, you know, you may receive a hunch from somebody. You may, you know, be like, let me go to the store, or you may receive different hunches to take action, or you may receive different requests from people to come here or to join this or to start this. You got to listen to that, because that is all a part of the manifestation on helping you bring with your idea, your desire, your offering into physical form. It's going to come through people, places, and circumstances, situations. Something going to come up. You're going to get invited somewhere. You're going to meet somebody that's going to connect you to something that's going to open your mind. You might learn something. It may be independent. It may be just an intuitive feeling that you follow, that you say, I gotta leave out right now. Something telling me to go here. Something telling me to drive out. Go here. You might just drive, pull over. Let me, you know what I'm saying? No matter what you want to do, it all depends on your manifestation, whatever you want to create. You could be inspired to make a song or to paint something that sells for, an absurd amount of money, like a crazy amount of money. It's all about what you do, what's your intention with this. Even if it's to meet somebody, if it's to get a relationship, if you go in there, like, let me get this relationship, and you going trying to convince that to the subconscious mind, you trying to offer that to the subconscious mind. You could go out to the grocery store, you could be at the grocery store, baby girl pull up on you in the cart, like, hey, you know what I'm saying? It can happen a bunch of different ways. It's what's your intention. If you in college and you thinking about, you trying to get scouted, you playing basketball, you gotta put it in your mind. And then the scout is gonna be at the fucking game watching you, and you gonna fuck around and do good on that game and get picked. But it's all about how vivid is your imagination and the convincing of your subconscious mind. If you are practicing vivid imagination, if you are going into deep visualization and you don't feel goosebumps, if you don't feel like ecstasy, if you don't feel like bliss and happiness and like crazy little just bursts of energy out of nowhere, like it's like an internal burst of energy you just get once you connect, once your brain waves start connecting. But if you don't feel that, then your offering is not getting across. And you have to add emotion. You know what I'm saying? That's why you gotta add emotion. You gotta get vivid. You gotta really see what you want. Really see yourself as having it right now. Really feel the gratitude and the appreciation that you will feel. And you really gotta almost melt. You gotta melt in that feeling. You gotta fully embrace it. You know what I'm saying? It's like that deep hug you give your girl, and you really want to feel it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta feel this shit, man. But to go over the 3-step manifestation process one more time, let's do it again. Now it's the thought, the offering, the manifestation. You could break this down by the conscious, subconscious, and superconscious. Now what you do is you take the thought, the idea, anything you want to create, anything you see yourself with, you want to take that and you want to offer, you want to make the offering to the subconscious mind. You're going to continue to do this until you produce feelings of internal bliss, bursts of energy, like goosebump type feelings within your body. You want to get it real emotional, real passionate, real fired up, real visual, right? Real clear, in your imagination, real vivid in your imagination what you want, right? And then once the offering is submitted fully to the subconscious mind, once it's fully submitted, the subconscious mind then takes that to the superconscious. And the superconscious is connected to the one mind, God, people, places, things, environments needed to make your manifestation happen. So, stay focused. Use your imagination. Use vivid, creative imagination. Remember, stay focused. What do you want? No, you can have anything. Don't allow fear, doubt, or indecisiveness to hinder your process. These are the only things that can hinder you. Fear, doubt, and indecisiveness. Only things that can stop you in the world. It's your boy, Yon World. I'm out.